Well, hello friends, this is Jen from Land of Milk and Honey, and I'm so glad you're here. And if you are watching this, you may have purchased a balm from me, and we're going to talk a little bit about what it is and how to use it. So a balm, the stuff that I made it for my kids when they were young because they had eczema. And I needed to find something that was pure, that didn't have any chemicals or preservatives in it. And I found that mixing butters, wax, and oils and some essential oils, I could make the equivalent to a concentrated lotion. Now, I don't make lotion because lotion, no matter what they tell you, has to have a chemical preservative in there in order for it to be stable. So, and not have any mold. So I make balm. And one of the first balms I made was called the balm. Now I have probably 20 or 30 different kinds of balms, and they all have little bit different oils and butters in them and essential oils in them. But the balm, and it's the balm, labeled like that, is just plain butters, oils, and wax, and it doesn't have any preservatives, nothing in it. None of mine do. So if you did purchase it, it looks like this. This is a sample jar, and it's blackberry lemon sage. And so how you use it. So I get a lot of questions on how you use your balm. So basically you want to take a tiny bit, like this much, and you want to roll it between your hands, and it's going to melt. And you're going to rub it on your hands, and you're going to rub it on your body wherever you want. I have people that put it on their feet. I have people that put it in your hair and your face. Just depends on what your body is. Everybody's a little bit different. And that's what you're going to do. The best thing that I suggest is that you use it right after washing your hands or taking a shower or bath. And if you have really, really dry skin, to use it right before you go to bed. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I hope that answers a lot of your questions. The other question I've gotten a lot is, how long does it last? So if you got it for a gift and you let it sit, I suggest you use it. You should use it within less than a year. It has about a year shelf life, depends upon your environment that it's in. So if it's in warmer bathrooms, it won't last as long. And it doesn't like to be frozen, so don't leave it outside in your car. And it will melt, but it will solidify when the temperature gets to be about 70 degrees. It'll get solid. So anyway, I hope that helps. And if you haven't tried it yet, it's really good for sensitive skin. It's really good for dry skin. It's really good for normal skin. It just doesn't have any chemicals or preservatives in it. It's really good moisturizing for your skin. Now, a lot of people think it goes on greasy. Yes, because it's all concentrate oils, butters. The stuff that they put in lotion is got a chemical in there that pushes it into your skin and into your lymphatic system, which is not good. You want it to be on your skin. You want your skin to absorb it naturally, and that's what this does. So it's going to take a little bit longer. That's okay. If you are interested in purchasing it, I'll put my website down below. I have a farm store on the property here that's open on Sundays from 1 to 4, where you can come and try it, look at it. I also have a new storefront. It's not a storefront, it's like a crafter's alley. So there's a bunch of us together in a store, and my booth is there, and they have balm and I have soap and stuff for you to try. And that's 408 East Street, in Fairbury. So yes, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll put that information down in my description. And again, if you are purchasing the balm and you got to this, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know how you like it. Otherwise, if you still want to purchase some, my link is down below. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye.